All right, the first step I'm gonna do, I've taken the old hose off. Now I'm gonna take and put or clean out the inside of the dryer and the hose, and as you can see down there in there, this little elbow attachment on my vacuum really makes this easy. Now just make sure you get any lint that just might be caught up in there. It just helps get it out. Now here's the tools I'm going to be using. First is a dryer vent hose. You can see the clamps. There'll be one on each end. Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of side cutters, some tape, and the actual hose. Now as you can see, we put tape around there to make sure it's a secure fit. And then we've attached it over here. Our vent actually vents out through the bottom of the floor, so it's not quite as easy to manage as it would be if it were in the wall. But we tape that as well. Now we're fixing to put the 2 clamps on, and then we'll give it a test. As you can see, we've got as close as we can now, as short a distance as possible, no kinks, no elbows. We're gonna give it a shot and see if it works. Seems to be working like a charm. Thank you all for watching the video.